You ready? You ready to go outside? It's snowing outside. You ready? Let's go. Oh, look at that. What's that? Huh? You wanna go? No? Come on. Go up. You don't like it? You don't like it? You don't like the snow? Come on. Let's go, come on. See? I'll come out with you. Come on, buddy. You got it. I believe in you. He's like, what the hell is this? Man, it's cold outside. It's like -2 degrees out here in the Midwest. I'm shutting the door. We don't have that much snow. I think probably a couple inches. Come on, let's go. Let's go out here. There you go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. Look at him. Oh, he got a pee. Gotta take care of the stuff that's more important, right? Yeah. Alright people, if you wanna buy him a treat or a bone, the link of the Cashapp will be in the description box below. But as always, as you know, the best way you can support us is by like, comment, sharing, and subscribing. So make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. Where are you going? He's chasing a leaf. That's what he's doing. I think he likes the snow. Right? What do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section below. Oh, you gotta go poo-poo? You gotta go poo-poo, buddy? Yep, he does. Look at him. He's looking back at me. He's like, bro, you watching me? I'm watching you. Yep, I'm watching you right here. Oh, that's a big one. Dang, bro. You've been getting fed well, huh? I've been feeding you well, huh? Is that what it is? Yeah? Is that what it is? Stinky butt? Hey, stinky butt? Yeah, that's right. I'm talking to you. What's up, buddy? What's up? You like the snow? He's like, man, what is this white stuff? Never seen this before. But I think I like it. Yeah, buddy. Alright, people. My hand's freezing, so I'm going to go inside. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.